Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check out a license using the new Keysight License Manager 6. So when you're using a Win 10 server, the brand new license server from Keysight, you're going to have to be able to check out the licenses in a little different way. Now I'm running my demo software, but it'll do just fine to show us the method of getting the licenses. So you basically go into License Manager. Now you need to go to the floating and USB. Okay, so you click there and it'll bring up the Keysight License Manager 6. This is also on every remote scope. This is also what the environment happens to look like on the server, but we're not doing the server side. We're actually setting up the environment for the other side. So I will have to emulate a few things, but we're at home. We can go to environment. This talks about that. What we want to do first is make sure that a license server has been specified. Now, we're just going to ignore that right now. Select a product. We're actually going to be using Infinium. So let's go back there, clear that. Because I'm running kind of on a simulated environment, you may not see the exact same thing. But the idea is you enter the host name of the server machine. So you can put the IP address, but it's better to put the host name in case things move around. So if we just say lice server lab as an example, that's going to do that. Now, once we enter that, we're going to go next. It's going to search for that. I don't have one running right now, but if I did, it would show up. Here's a few examples down below as well. It will go and it'll time out eventually. Once you have that, that means that the license server, if everything's good, we want to basically go to borrow a license. So for the most part, once this environment is set up, you can go borrow a license. If you want to see what licenses are on your system right now, you can click here. License server running. We're not even connected to one right now, so that's fine. Now, borrow a license. We want to borrow a floating license or return one. This is pretty obvious. There's no licenses to borrow, but if you did click on there, you would actually get a list from the license server and it would show it and which ones are available to borrow. If you have one to return and you have it checked out on the machine, you can return the license here by clicking that. Short of actually having a working full system, this should get you going to be able to allow you to return a license. Remember, we basically review this, go to Utilities, go to License Manager, Floating in USB, make sure the environment is, the license server is set up, and make sure that when you're ready to go, borrow the floating license. If all is good, you should be able to check out your license. Thanks for watching.